Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a tool that can help you to write better content and get more traffic from Google. It's called Ranklytics, and the cool thing is there is a lifetime deal right now on AppSumo. You can use it forever by paying one time. Before we go on, don't forget to check the description below. I have added the link and all the latest information about this deal. Now let's begin. So what is Ranklytics? Ranklytics is a smart AI content tool that can help you to write blog posts and website content that can rank higher on Google. It does the hard SEO work for you. You just enter your topic or keyword and Ranklytics gives you the best headlines, subheadings and keywords, and even full content drafts, and all are optimized for search engine. It also checks your competitors so you know what kind of content is already ranking and how you can make your content better. So why do people love it? Because SEO is not easy. Many people write blog posts but they don't show up on Google. Ranklytics helps you to write the right way so more people can find your website. It is a great tool for bloggers, agencies, freelancers, business with websites, and you can ask me, is it a beginner friendly to use? The one word answer is yes. You don't need to know SEO. The tool guides you step by step. It shows you what to write, what to include and what to improve it. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Most SEO tools cost a lot of money and in every single month. But this deal gives you a full access for a one-time price, and it's available on AppSumo. And it is a great option if you write often or run a business. So is Ranklytics worth it? If you want more traffic, better ranking and smart content without hiring an expert, then yes, Ranklytics can help you to grow. So please check the description for the latest information and link and updated information. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.